In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the fiscal week number of a date in Tableau. Let's dive right in and make sure you have your Tableau public app open and ready to go. First things first, start by accessing your worksheet where you're going to be working. You should see your Tableau screen loaded up and displaying available datasets or dashboards. Once you're in, look for the field labeled Order Date and drag it over to the rows shelf. Doing this will display your data along the timeline. Now, be sure to set one of the Order Date instances to the week number. This is crucial because it allows us to work with a more detailed breakdown of your data by weeks instead of broader time frames like months or quarters. Next up, you'll need to drag another instance of the Order Date field back to the rows. This time, change this setting to Day. Okay, here comes an important tweak. Click on the drop-down for the date field you've just configured and select Discrete. This changes how the information will be displayed, making it more specific and detailed. Ready for a bit more complexity? Go to the Analysis tab at the top, and from there, select Create Calculated Field. You're now going to create 4 separate calculated fields, and don't worry, I'll guide you through each of them. Name the first calculated field First Fiscal Day. Enter the appropriate query, then click OK to save it. You're setting a foundation that will be crucial in calculating the fiscal week. The second calculated field should be named First Fiscal Week Number. Again, type in your query, ensuring accuracy, and then click OK. After that, click on the drop-down arrow and select Convert to Dimension. This adjustment helps Tableau know how to organize and use the calculated data effectively. Let's move on to the third calculated field, which you'll name Original Week Number. After entering the corresponding query, click OK to confirm it as well. You'll also need to perform a convert to dimension operation here, marking this field for specific use. Lastly, the fourth calculated field should be titled Fiscal Week Number. Just like the others, type in your query and hit OK. Don't forget to convert this field to a dimension afterward. Now, it's time to see your hard work pay off. Begin by dragging the Fiscal Week Number field onto the rows shelf. What you're doing here is layering your data, providing deeper insights based on fiscal weeks. To finish, drag the Original Week Number field onto the rows as well. What you should see now is a detailed view that visually distinguishes between fiscal weeks and original week numbers. There you have it. It was a bit detailed, but now you've effectively set up your Tableau worksheet to reflect fiscal week numbers. Use this structure whenever you need to measure and analyze datasets that operate on fiscal calendars. Thanks for following along, and happy analyzing.